In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sandbox and deploy changes in Zoho CRM. A Sandbox is a safe, separate version of your Zoho CRM setup that mirrors production, so you can test changes without affecting real data or active users. It's ideal for trying out customizations, automations, and integrations before rolling them out. Depending on your edition, you can maintain multiple sandboxes for different projects or teams. To create one, open your Zoho CRM account and click the gear icon to go to Setup. From there, head to Data Administration, then select Sandbox and choose Create New Sandbox. Give your sandbox a clear name and a brief description so everyone understands its purpose, like which module or process you're testing. Next, choose the sandbox type that fits your needs. Configuration copies only your settings and structures. Sample data provides mock records for quick testing. Partial data brings over a selected slice of your real data along with configurations. Full data, when available for your edition, creates a comprehensive copy of production, including all records and configurations. Pick what you truly need so the environment stays fast and focused. You can also select which configurations to copy, either specific modules and components or everything in one go, and specify the users or developers who should have access to this sandbox. When you're ready, click Create. After it's built, use Go to Sandbox to enter the environment. You'll see a prominent orange ribbon at the top, so you always know you're not in production. Inside the sandbox, make and test your changes with confidence. This is the place to create or refine workflows, custom fields, page layouts, automations, blueprints, validation rules, and other settings. You can invite developers to collaborate here without granting them access to your live system. Take time to run through real-world scenarios, create test records, and confirm that permissions and notifications behave as expected. None of these changes impact production until you deploy them. When your updates are validated and ready, return to Setup, open Data Administration, and select Sandbox. Choose the sandbox you've been working in and review the change set list. Zoho CRM automatically tracks your configuration edits, so you can select individual items or deploy everything at once. Click Deploy Changes to Production. On the Start deployment screen, Zoho checks for dependencies and conflicts. You'll see which items are qualified and which need attention. Resolve issues like missing parent components or naming collisions, then confirm by selecting Yes, Proceed. Your tested changes are now live, with minimal risk and maximum control.